Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a dedicated nail video. I was sent these GELLAKTIK nails. Yes, this is the same type of nail kit that you would see in a nail salon. These were sent to me for reviewing purposes for Amazon. And like 2 or 3 weeks later, they sent me some nail remover and nail glue, and I decided let's go ahead and do a full video for GELLAKTIK. They are a nail brand on Amazon and they have a lot of things to choose from, especially if you're wanting to do your nails at home. Now, if y'all saw my No by 2025 video, then you'll know that I had mentioned that I am not going to the nail salon unless it's like a gift or like a super special occasion. But I'm not going like every 4 or 5 weeks like I have been doing for the past few years, just to kind of cut back and like save a little money with everything being just completely outrageously expensive at the moment. So I feel like I kind of manifested this whole setup in a way. Anyways, if you're interested, stay tuned. I am going to show you the process. This is them. Please do not look at the paint. I am not a good nail painter, especially using my left hand on the right hand, so you will have to forgive me on that. But I do show the process of using both the nail glue remover and the nail by putting on a fresh set. And if you want a full review, stay tuned to the end and I will tell you my thoughts on it. Enough rambling, let's get into doing some nails. So you do have a guide that shows you step by step how to use the product. This is the glue remover. This is the glue. It also comes with a mini file and a cuticle pusher backer.
The nail remover is pretty simple to use. You just apply it around the cuticles and where the nail is attached to the bed. After it sits for a few seconds, 30 seconds to a minute, you should be able to pop them off pretty easily. Be sure to clean up your nails pretty good before you apply a new set. That includes clipping, pushing your cuticles back, buffing just slightly, don't do too much. And you're ready to go. You apply the nail glue on each nail bed all over the nail. Use enough but not too much. Then you can apply each nail properly, hold pressure, and then there you have it. And for myself, I don't like really long nails, so I always clip them down. And doing it this way, it really allows you to give the shape that you want. Personally, I like to keep it pretty basic. I always go in with the OPI Big Apple Red. It's my favorite. And again, don't pay attention to my painting job. It's not very good. But these are pretty simple to use. And that's it. Okay, bye.
And if you've made it to this point, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Now, I will tell you my full honest thoughts. I have to say, these nails are really good. Now, whenever I work with people, I sometimes can request certain things like color, size, whatever. And so I had originally requested short almond because I have to keep really short nails. Like, I cannot do anything with long nails. I don't see how people do it. Plus, I wear contacts, so I have to be able to like get the contact out of my eyeball with, you know, like not cutting it up. So these are really good, other than the fact that they're way too long for me. I do have to use the toenail clippers because the fingernail clippers are just not quite sturdy or strong enough to cut through the actual nail. But as far as quality, I feel like these are really good. If you're looking for like at-home nails. Now, GELLAKTIK is like, I guess like a better quality press-on, so it goes over the whole nail. I really like these, but when it comes to these two, I do not necessarily love these. I would not recommend these. The glue remover, literally I used every single bit of this. This is acetone. This is like literally nail polish remover. So if you have acetone at home to remove your nail polish, then just use that to remove the nail as well. So yeah, I feel like that was a gimmick. This glue is, okay, so it's a good glue as far as like the actual like purpose of it. However, the consistency is almost like a gel. It's thick, okay, so it's not super watery like your other nail. I pulled this one out. So this is the one that I normally use from Kiss. This is really liquidy and runny, right? And if you're not careful, it will run everywhere, right? This one is like a thicker consistency. It's almost like a gel, and the only issue with it is whenever you're putting it on your nail and you pull it away, it strings, and then that string will go wherever it lands. So by the time I got finished putting the nails on, I had super glue all over my fingertips. Like I can still feel it in some places. It's gathered up underneath my nail. So I've been having to pick out glue from under my nails. I think they're gonna like hold. I think the glue is actually gonna hold really nicely, but the process of it. So if anyone from GELLAKTIK is watching this, I would go back to the drawing board with the glue, because literally it strings out everywhere and it's a big mess. So as cool as this system is, I would probably pass on this, and I do not recommend this, but I absolutely would recommend this. And they have different like nail shapes and sizes. So this is absolutely a 10 out of 10. This is a 0 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching this review. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if this is the type of video that you like or would prefer, or if there was a different style that you would prefer me to do. And I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye.